All right and all right.
What's the difference?
All right and all right essentially mean the same thing, signifying okay or satisfactory. But all right is considered the correct spelling and it's performed in formal writing.
While already is a more informal, often used in casual conversation. All right is generally considered the more accepted form. So, with formal writing, we use all right, and with informal writing, we use all right. Both are acceptable, but be aware it might be seen as less professional.
Let us have some examples. All right, can we start the music now, please? I think I'll leave at 5. Is it all right? Are you all right?
The presentation is going all right so far. And see you soon with another video.